PromptEarn affiliate marketing step-by-step guide to making at least 100,000 naira on a monthly basis. Okay, so we have discussed about PromptEarn affiliate marketing for beginners, and we have talked about how to make money on PromptEarn, and also talked about how to do affiliate marketing on PromptEarn. And you can also watch this video here to learn more about that after this particular one. Okay, so if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business up to like 100,000 naira monthly or weekly, I want to recommend to you 3 steps you can follow in order to achieve that result. The first one is for you to pick a platform called content creation. Yes, now why is it important? Because as an affiliate marketer, most of your lead does not convert. You know how it takes for you to generate those leads. They will not convert instantly, but during content creation, you use it for you to nurture and build what is called KLT, know, like, and trust with your audience. So when you constantly create content, drop the link for your audience to go and watch. They get to trust you more, they get to like you more, and before you know, they get to convert. So you get to pick a platform for that. Then what to also elevate it, the next one again is for you to learn a basic skills like graphic design and video editing. You don't need to become professional. You can, even if you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone, learn how to do it on InShot and Canva. InShot to do your video editing, okay, or CapCut, and then graphic design to use Canva for that. So the content you'll be making, you'll be uploading it on the platform that you have picked, either on Facebook or on TikTok, in order to grow your fan base, to build the KLT with your audience. This step is very, very important, the basic skill, because the moment I learned the basic of graphic design and video editing, it elevated my earning in affiliate marketing. It's very, very high. So you get to learn the same, and there are many content on YouTube that can teach you that. Then the third part is for you to learn advertisement. Yes, I will not stress how important it is for you to run ad. Now, in the first series where I taught you about how to do affiliate marketing as a beginner, I did give you free nuggets, few points on how you can use Facebook, to generate lead. The single sales you are making, like 2, 3, 4, 5 sales you are generating, this is where you now need to reinvest it in advertisement. Learn the basic of running Facebook ad, engagement ad, lead generation ad, and sales ad on Facebook. That will already shoot your sales up. So if you follow this step, you are very, very guaranteed to be getting constant flow of lead and then constant flow of sales, because you are creating content, you are using video editing, and you are also using graphic design to nurture your lead, and then you are constantly using advertisement to bring in new lead in addition to your free organic lead. Prospect is the lifeblood of every business. So constantly getting lead at least every single day. In a weekly, give yourself a target up to like 50 to 100 leads. There is no way you cannot make sales. When they come, they will discover that you have other skills you can offer them, like graphic design, video editing, content creation, and other skills that you have learned so far. That will make them for them to buy and then join the affiliate program that you are recommending them for them to do. So this 3 framework will shoot you up and then take your sales to the next level. Give it a try. If you have other questions, you can drop it in the video description. Okay, with that being said, you can watch this video here to learn how to do affiliate marketing on PromptEarn as a beginner. Bye for now. Catch you on the next one. Peace.